sklearn cluster spectral clustering. Description: spectral clustering is a clustering algorithm that embeds the data points into a low-dimensional space using spectral techniques and then applies a clustering algorithm, typically k-means, in the embedded space. It can find non-convex clusters. Inputs: data, a numerical array or matrix representing the data points to be clustered. Number of clusters: n clusters, the desired number of clusters to be formed. Outputs: cluster labels, an array of integer labels assigned to each data point indicating its cluster. Membership. Steps: construct similarity graph, creates a graph where nodes represent data points and edges represent similarities between pairs of points, based on a specified affinity metric. Apply spectral embedding, computes the Laplacian matrix of the similarity graph and performs spectral decomposition to obtain the eigenvectors corresponding to the largest eigenvalues. These eigenvectors represent the low-dimensional embedding of the data points. Cluster embedded data applies a clustering algorithm, typically k-means, to the embedded data points to obtain the final cluster assignments. Metrics. Silhouette coefficient measures the quality of clustering by evaluating how similar a data point is to its own cluster compared to other clusters. Kalinski-Haraba's index measures the ratio of between cluster variance to within cluster variance, with higher values indicating better clustering. Visualization plots. Scatter plot with cluster labels, a scatter plot of the data points, color-coded by cluster membership, to visualize the resulting clusters. Fine-tune parameters. Affinity, the metric used to construct the similarity graph, e.g., RBF. Nearest neighbors. N clusters, the desired number of clusters to be formed. Uncertainty methods. Probabilistic clustering assigns probabilities to cluster memberships instead of hard assignments. Challenges and fixes. Sensitive to affinity. Experiment with different affinity metrics to find the best one for the data. Consider using domain knowledge to select an appropriate affinity metric. Requires specifying number of clusters. Use domain knowledge or exploratory data analysis to estimate the appropriate number of clusters. Employ methods like the elbow method or silhouette analysis to help determine the optimal number of clusters. Computational complexity. Can be computationally expensive for large datasets due to the eigenvalue decomposition step. Consider using approximations or dimensionality reduction techniques before applying spectral clustering.